10 seconds.
Pulling it down, right?
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All clear, fleet, all clear. And thank you. Have a good race, everybody.
No one's even close to going over early. I was going to say, they're not too aggressive this early.
Yeah. I hate calling them back. It makes me crazy. Plus, you don't have time. You know, it's evening racing. If it was Saturday afternoon, sure, let's play.
Yeah.
You know, but we're not here to start, and all of a sudden it gets dark. Or the wind died.
Yeah.
They know that.
It's not bad spotting the line from up here.
No. And the other thing, too, is it's a long enough course that winning the start's not going to do it for you if you're in a bag of shit or something. You know? Let's see how our line was. Here at the start.
Oh, I am hungry. I hadn't eaten my sandwich yet.
Well, I would let that 5 feet of road out kind of go away. I won't do it until next. See, these spinnakers indicate the wind is a little left. Look at that. They're all on starboard. There's Lenny.
You know, maybe cut this down so it's not such a sharp bend. Hey, what are you doing out front? You said that main out further? Yeah, I will. What the other ones actually to take it out?
Hi, kiddos.
Yeah, boy, the fog comes in quick in any wind.
It was blowing pretty good the other night we were out here and it was fully fogged in.
Court suckers. Obviously that's it, kids. Good luck getting home. Who's this here?
3126. No, that's Sugar Reef.
Sugar Reef's finished up here.
No, that's 3126.
Oh,
right
who
here.
is that then?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Sugar Reef. White J-24 that finished second. Please identify yourself. Bring it in! J-24 that finished second, white. I thought you were somebody else. I didn't hear you. Say again. Thank you.
Bad Dog?
Okay, so that's Sugary. Bad Dog was second.
Okay.
Fruitcakes. Okay, Fruitcakes. To repeat, Andy, Bad Dog, that's you. That was finished behind Matrix.
Yeah, okay.
We had Lenny in there, right? Yeah, it was
Yeah.
third, yeah. Thank you. This?
3925.
Okay, this is Doug.
Steakhouse?
Yeah. Hey, that was Doug. Staycom. 3925.
Yeah. I don't know what it's going to come out with.
This guy here, USA, no number on his jib. Well, that's Fat Tail. You can tell by the white stripe.
If any of these come out, I'll put them up on YouTube so people can see their boats going by.
Fat tail.
Yeah. It's
Hurricane. Who's that out there?
That's oh, is that the one we? Oh, that's Fox. Might be Fox.
Who just finished up by the pin? Thank you, Vicky. That was Fox.
That's it.
Is that all of them? Before you downwind. I mean, if 4 boats show up and one's coming downwind and one boat gets in your way, it's blocking the rest of the building. So, you know, force one's hard. If the leg is long enough, you get spread out. I was contemplating that, but I think it's going to be